Hello students, in this video lecture we will discuss the topic computer graphics. So first of all we need to discuss the term graphics. What is a graphics? Graphics are the visual presentation on some surface such as wall, canvas, computer screen, paper, etc. For example, our photographs, drawing, maps, numbers and other images, these are the forms of various computer graphics. So in this lecture we will discuss about the computer graphics, its history, its types and applications, and advantages and disadvantages of computer graphics in our life. So firstly we will discuss the term computer graphics. So computer graphics is mainly used in many disciplines such as in chart, presentation, drawing, painting and design, image processing and scientific visualization, and some among them. So the computer graphics means graphics created by using the computer, and more generally the representation and manipulation of the image data by a computer. So we can also discuss it as it is the development of the computer images, computer data, or we can say also that the manipulation of the data by the use of the graphic tools. So what is the origin of computer graphics? The phrase computer graphics was coined in 1960 by the William Fatter, a graphic designer for Boeing. The field of computer graphics developed with the emergence of the computer graphics hardware, means we can generate the computer graphics with the help of computer hardware and some specific graphic softwares. So now what is a computer graphic? The creation, manipulation and storage of the geometric objects and their images is called computer graphics. So we can also deal it with as a modeling and the rendering of the images. So in this computer graphics we display the images on the computer screen on any another video display devices or in the form of hard copy or printing form. So it is also, we can say that the area of a image processing with the help of some graphical user interface, video display devices and other many tools. So next is the types of computer graphics. Based upon the interaction we can classify the computer graphics as non-interactive and interactive. As we know that interactive means the interaction. If the user is interacted with the computer system, that type of graphics system is called interactive type, and if the user is passive, then the type of graphic system is passive or non-interactive, means in which the user has no control over the image, means we can't make any change in the image shown on the computer screen. So non-interactive graphics is also known as the passive computer graphics. The observer has no control over the image. For example, our TV set or computer art. Second category is interactive computer graphics. Interactive computer graphics involves a two-way communication between computer and user. For example, computer gives us a data or manipulation or the image, and in response of those image, user can also do changes, manipulations in that image with the help of him to signal his request to the computer, and then computer on receiving the signal from the input device can modify the display picture. For example, if the user want to change the color of the picture, then he will send a command to the computer. Our CPU computer will accept his request and will generate a signal, and in response of his request the color according to the user's choice will be shown. The application means areas, the areas where the computer graphic can be used. As we know that in our daily life, in many areas applications computers can be, graphics can be used. For example, in biology, in physics, in computer aided design, computer simulation, digital art, education, graphic design, infographic, graphic visualization, or many other areas are there in which computer graphics is used. And in video games, cartoons, animation, graphics is widely used. So first of all, like here is a paint program. Like in painting we use graphic, in designing, in illustration programs we can also use graphic tools, in animation software, in we can see that in moving object for animation movies, animation videos we can use graphic tools. CAD software. CAD is a computer aided design. Here it's also known as a computer aided design and drafting software. It is the use of the computer technology for the process of design and designing the documentation. CAD is the process of drafting with the computer. So this is the detail of the various applications. Like in paint program, images are stored as a bitmap and can easily be edited. So it is a graphic program that enables you to draw on the display screen, which is represented as a bitmap. As we know that computer is always stored in a binary form, 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 are the bits form. In contrast, to draw the program use vector graphic, means we can use line drawing commands in drawing, or we can say that we can use various line commands or other commands to draw the various objects. Second area is designing the program, means we can use also draw curved lines, or we can say that various vector based format which are known as our draw programs. Third area is the animation software, means we can use various series of picture or frame as a moving object. So cartoon on a television, on a YouTube channel is one of the best example of animation. Next area is a desktop publication. Provides a full set of the word processing feature as well as the fine control over the placement of the text and graphics, so that we can create newsletters, advertise, books and other type of the document. It means by using a personal computer or a workstation, high quality printed documents can be produced. CAD software, as we have earlier discussed that CAD is a computer aided design. It is a combination of hardware and software with the help of which our architects, our designers, our engineers prepare their maps, like a map of a house, map for a flyover bridge, and one of the basic example is civil engineering. So now what is the uses? Where the computer graphics is mainly used, from computer science up to the art. In the each and every area computer graphics is used, like for entertainment, advertisement, as we said that various advertise are in the form of graphics. Scientific visualization and industrial designs, computer graphics can be used. Now the advantages and disadvantages of the computer graphics. So here we have ability to show moving pictures, so it is possible to produce animation with the help of computer graphs. Second, beside using the paper and pen, we can use the graphic tools and software to generate various maps, or we can say that various architectures use these tools, graphic tools, to make their maps of a house, or you can say that map of any industry or flyover. So as each and everything has advantages, there are disadvantages too. First of all, it needs skill. Graphic needs skill. So when it is not properly built, so it can be very difficult to work with it. Second, if you want to use graphic tools, you have to require high amount of memory, means you have to need various huge amount of memory resources, and it may require the installation of additional software like runtime, for example in case of Java. So this was the short lecture about the introduction of computer graphics, its various uses, applications and its advantages and disadvantages. From here we get an idea about what is a computer graphics and where this field is used in our daily routine or in the academic or medical line. Thank you.